Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert contacts in Google Docs. So as you can see, I'm in Google Docs here guys, and you can easily insert your Google contacts right into Google Docs. How do you do that? So you want to go ahead and click and insert from the many options here and go down to building blocks. Here you have some options. You want to click on view more, and here you have a section that says contact list. Now if you go down to contact list, you can simply expand this and you have options to insert applicants, sale contacts, but you have contacts. So if you click on that, you have the insert. If you hover over that, you have the insert button towards the right. Simple click and insert, and that's going to insert a table with contacts there. Now you are seeing the name here, email address, phone number, etc. So if you have all of these options, let's say available or created within the contacts, you can easily insert them. So what you want to do, you can simply hover over the person from the first option, for example, and you can go there and you can choose a person there, and it's going to insert that person name there. And of course, if you hover over it or click on it, you have the more details there that you can find about that person, right? And if the person have, for example, email address, if the person have, for example, a phone number or location, you can go ahead and add that. So, or if you know it, you can add it. So if you hover over this, so let's say this person is from Spain or Ibiza or whatever, I can simply type in Ibiza, and then it will find Ibiza Spain, and I can click on that, and as you can see, it insert the location of that person. So you can go ahead and insert contact. You can basically add whatever you want into this as you wish. And that's it guys. That's how to go ahead and insert or add contacts into your Google Docs document.